So you want to be prepared by carrying a trauma kit on your person. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I use to carry all of my essential trauma gear on my person every day. What is up, guys? If you are new here, my name is Workman, and I'm here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. Before we jump right into it, if you are new to concealed carry, then I want to give you something that's really going to help you out, and that is my free guide to concealment. It's basically everything I wish I knew when I first started carrying a gun, and I want you to have it for free. So go check that out in the description below. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss a video. All of the gear that I talk about today, I bought from Workman Medical, and it will be linked in the description down below. More on them later. All right, so if you are watching this video, you're probably in the minority, even within the community of concealed carriers. The majority of people who concealed carry are content to just have a gun on their person just in case, with honestly very limited training. In other words, you're either thinking, man, this guy is crazy, or you're just as crazy as I am. If you are even thinking about having a trauma kit, that means you're thinking about more than just fun gun stuff. You are truly in the mindset of saving lives. So great job on that. As protectors, we need to be experts at saving lives. Having a trauma kit on your person allows you to do just that. So I've done other videos on how to build a trauma kit, but today I want to share with you how I carry my trauma kit, and that is with my Workman Medical ankle cuff. First, I think it's important to tell you why I carry my trauma gear on my body every day. First of all, there's a decent chance that I will never need it to save a life, just like there's a good chance I will never need my gun to save a life. But also, like my gun, if I need it ASAP, and I need it within arm's reach. And a medical emergency is much more likely than a deadly threat encounter. For years, I just carried a kit in my car. I still keep more gear in there. But I came to the conclusion that if I'm in church, in Walmart, or just walking in the park, and there's a shooting or a dog attack or a serious injury, the kit that's in my trunk across the parking lot isn't saving any lives. It's just sitting there taking up space in my trunk. It's not gonna grow legs and run to my rescue. When someone is bleeding to death and I could have less than 3 minutes to apply a tourniquet or pack a wound, I need my gear right then. The kit on my body is right there ready to go. All right, so let me show you what I'm able to carry in mine. I bought this ankle cuff from Workman Medical, but I already had most of the gear that goes in it. So if you buy the ASP cuff or the Defender cuff, which I would recommend either of those, they will look a little different and a little more compact than mine. If you're interested in one of those, and you should be, my affiliate link is down in the description. All right, so what do I carry in my ankle cuff? First off, I've got my chest seals. There's 2 in here. Then I've got my Israeli bandage, quick clot, gloves, CPR face shield, trauma shears, and my little boo-boo kit. My current tourniquet is a SWAT tee, and I actually don't carry this in the ankle cuff. I just carry it in my pocket because it's a little bit heavier and it just works well to go in my back pocket. And this will probably be updated soon to either the soft tee tourniquet or the new snake staff tourniquet. I love the ankle cuff because I carry enough stuff in my pockets and in my waistband that it's pretty packed. The ankle cuff lets me put on all of my trauma gear and forget about it. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it takes some getting used to, but once it becomes part of your routine, it becomes pretty darn comfortable. Now, if you want a full breakdown of what these items are used for, then go check out my full breakdown with Dr. Joel Madison after this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe below, and let me know down in the comments what other videos do you want to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.